Parking in Gatlinburg. Prices, maps, and free parking tips. Is there free parking in Gatlinburg? If you're feeling lucky, it's possible to find free parking in Gatlinburg. But just remember, the odds of finding a free parking spot aren't in your favor. If all else fails, you can get low-cost parking by taking the trolley. In this video, we'll go over some parking tips for your trip to Gatlinburg. Here are our 4 best options for parking downtown. Number 1. Park at your hotel. When you're staying in Gatlinburg, this is the best option, by getting a hotel that includes parking in the cost. If you do this, only look at your car again when you're ready to leave the city limits. Number 2. Park at a restaurant. This is only an option if you're planning to eat at a restaurant and leaving after your meal. Still, if you don't like paying for parking, try to find a restaurant in town that has a parking lot. Remember, restaurant parking spaces are valuable commodities, and they aren't about to hold one for you while you're down the block playing laser tag. Number 3. Pay to park in a garage, parking lot, or use the trolley. This is the most realistic option. There are several pay lots in town. If you're comfortable doing a lot of walking, we always target the one down by Hillbilly Golf to avoid hitting the main drag traffic. Also, if you're planning on parking and walking up the whole strip, it's best to park at the lower end of the strip, which is built on a long incline. It's better to walk up the hill while you're fresh and before having eaten a meal. Then you just roll yourself back down to your car. If all else fails, opt for a park and ride and take the trolley. The lot is free, but the trolley isn't. However, it's still cheaper than using a parking garage, since the trolley is just a couple bucks per person. Parking usually costs up to $20 per spot in Gatlinburg. Prices vary by season. Number 4. Park for free at River Road. It might be worth taking a stab at River Road. There is a risk in this though. The spaces are limited. River Road parking spaces are located next to the river along River Road, which runs from Ripley's Aquarium to the entrance to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. But remember, you may find yourself working your way back down through traffic just to settle for one of the parking garages you passed up earlier. Remember, Gatlinburg wasn't built for driving. Our recommendation? Get out of the car as early and as often as possible, and enjoy the city the way it was meant to be enjoyed. What are your experiences with parking in Gatlinburg? Leave your tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video from thesmokies.com.